Welcome back. We are still on the topic construction. In the previous video, we solved a question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a triangle when one side and two interior angles are given to you. In this video, we are going to solve a question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a quadrilateral. Constructing quadrilaterals. In the videos on mensuration, we learned that a quadrilateral is a four-sided plane figure. We considered some examples of quadrilaterals. Some examples are square, rhombus, rectangle, kite, trapezium, etc. In the videos on mensuration, we considered these quadrilaterals one after the other, and we learned about their properties. In this video and the subsequent ones, we are going to learn how to use a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct some of these quadrilaterals. In order to construct a quadrilateral, the necessary information about the quadrilateral will be given to you. So the information you will need to construct the quadrilateral will be given to you. Let's consider an example. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a quadrilateral MNOP with the side OP equal to 11 centimeters, the side PM equal to 6 centimeters, the side NO equal to 5 centimeters, MN is equal to 8 centimeters, and MO is equal to 9 centimeters. M and OP are the vertices of the quadrilateral. So one vertex of the quadrilateral is M, another one is N, another one is O, and the last one is P. If we join point M to point N, we will get the side MN. If we join point N to point O, we will get the side NO. If we join point O to point P, we will get the side OP. And if we join point P to point M, we will get the side PM. So this quadrilateral has the sides MN, NO, OP, and PM. We have been given the length of the side OP, the length of the side PM, the length of the side NO, and the length of the side MN. And we have also been given MO, which is a diagonal of the quadrilateral. So here we have been given four sides and one diagonal. This information is sufficient enough for us to construct the quadrilateral MNOP. Now to begin, you have to pick a side that you are going to use as the base. You can pick any one of these sides as the base. I'm going to use OP as my base. So the side OP with length 11 centimeters is going to be my base. Now let's start the construction. To begin, you pick the ruler and you draw a long horizontal line. So you pick the ruler, you draw a long horizontal line just as I've done here. I said I'm going to use the side OP as the base. The length of the side OP is 11 centimeters. So you pick the compass and you measure 11 centimeters on the ruler. You put the needle of the compass on 0 and you stretch the part holding the pencil to 11 centimeters, which will be 110 millimeters on my ruler. So you measure 11 centimeters, then you transfer it onto the line. So I'll put the needle of the compass here, then I'll turn the compass a little bit and construct an arc to intersect the line. Then after that, I'll put the needle of the compass on this point. I'll turn the compass and construct another arc here. I'm going to clean this part of the arc and I'll clean this part of the arc also. This point is point O and this point is point P. The length of the side OP is 11 centimeters. One thing that you have to note about constructing a quadrilateral is that no matter which side you choose as the base, you have to always construct the quadrilateral such that the vertices will be in the same order as it was given in the question. In the question, the vertices was given in the order M, N, O, P. So no matter which side that you choose as the base, the vertices should also follow the same order. Here I chose the side OP as the base. So if the side OP is my base, then what it means is that the vertex M will be somewhere here and the vertex N will be somewhere here, so that we can have M, N, O, P. So no matter which side you choose as the base, you have to always construct the quadrilateral such that the vertices will be in the same order as it was given to you in the question. In the question, we are given M, N, O, P. So if I choose OP as the base, then what it means is that the vertex M will be somewhere here and the vertex N will also be somewhere here, so that we can have M, N, O, P, just as it was given to us in the question. I'm going to clean this so that we can continue. We are done with the side OP. Let's move on to the next side. The next side is PM and the length of PM is 6 centimeters. So you measure 6 centimeters on the ruler using your compass. You put the needle of the compass on 0, then you stretch the part holding the pencil to 6 centimeters. The point is point PM. We know point P, so you put the needle of the compass on point P, then you turn it and you construct an arc here. Construct an arc just as I've done here. The point M will be somewhere on this arc. We don't know the exact position. Let's continue. We will find out later. The next side given to us is NO, and the length of the side NO is 5 centimeters. So you measure 5 centimeters on the ruler using your compass. You put the needle of the compass on 0, then you stretch the other side to 5 centimeters, which will be 50 millimeters on my ruler. The side is NO. We know the point O. So you put the needle of the compass on point O, then you turn the compass and you construct an arc. The point N will also be somewhere on this arc. We don't know the exact position of the point N. We will find out later. Let's continue. The next side given to us is MN, which is 8 centimeters. But before we can construct the side MN, we have to know at least one of the points. So we have to know either point M or point N. But here, we know none of them. We don't know point M, we don't know point N. So we can't construct the side MN at the moment. So let's move on to the next one given to us. The next one given to us is MO. We can construct MO because we know point O. The length of MO is 9 centimeters. So you pick your compass and you measure 9 centimeters on the ruler. You put the needle of the compass on 0, then you stretch the part holding the pencil to 9 centimeters, which will be 90 millimeters on my ruler. Now, after we are done, you move the needle of the compass to point O, then you turn it and you construct an arc to intersect this arc here. The point of intersection of these two arcs will give us point M. I'm going to clean some parts of the arc so that you can see it clearly. So the point of intersection of these two arcs will give us point M. So we have point M here. Now that we know point M, we can construct the side MN. The side MN is 8 centimeters. So you measure 8 centimeters on the ruler using your compass. You put the needle of the compass on 0, then you stretch the part holding the pencil to 8 centimeters, which will be 80 millimeters on my ruler. Now, after you are done with that, you put the needle of the compass on point M since the side is MN. So you put the needle of the compass on the point that you know, which is point M. Then you turn the compass and you construct an arc to intersect the arc that you have already constructed. The point of intersection of these two arcs will give us point N. I'm going to clean some parts of the arc so that you can see the point N clearly. The point of intersection of these two arcs will give us point N. So we have point N here. Now we have point O here, point P here, point M here, and point N here. I'm going to take both the compass and the ruler off so that you can see them clearly. To get the side NO, we will join point N to point O. To get the side PM, we will join point P to point M. And finally, to get the side MN, we will join point M to point N. We now have the quadrilateral MNOP. The length of the side MN is 8 centimeters. The length of the side NO is 5 centimeters. And the length of the side PM is 6 centimeters. So we have been able to construct the quadrilateral MNOP. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on using a ruler and a pair of compasses only to construct a quadrilateral. Bye-bye.